One primary function of a wastewater treatment plant is the removal of solids from the wastewater. Terms to know when discussing these solids are total solids, T.S., total dissolved solids, T.D.S., total suspended solids, T.S.S., mixed liquor suspended solids, M.L.S.S., settled sludge volume, S.S.V. Volatile solids, V.S. Fixed solids, colloidal solids, organic solids, inorganic solids. Total solids consists of all solids present in the wastewater. Using identical samples of wastewater, you can determine the amount of dissolved solids and suspended solids within the sample using membrane or fiberglass filtration. Suspended solids will be caught on the filter, and dissolved solids will pass through the filter with the water. The next step would be evaporation of the filtered water and weighing the dried residue to determine the weight of total dissolved solids. For total suspended solids, the filter with collected particles is dried and weighed. Suspended solids consist of settlable and non-settlable solids. The difference between settlable and non-settlable comes down to the shape, size, and mass, weight, per volume of solids. Settleometer. A settleometer is the device used to measure settlable solids, milligram per liter. The settleometer test determines the settled sludge volume, S.S.V, at specific times, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. Mixed liquor suspended solids, M.L.S.S, measures the particles in the wastewater and activated sludge that is in the aeration basin. M.L.S.S is a key indicator of the activated sludge process's efficiency. It helps determine if there's sufficient biomass to effectively consume pollutants. High M.L.S.S can lead to poor settling, reduced oxygen transfer, and potential problems in clarifiers. Low M.L.S.S can result in incomplete pollutant removal and inadequate biomass. Determining the weight of suspended solids in the aeration tank usually involves taking a sample of the mixed liquor, filtering it to separate the solids, then drying and weighing the solids. M.L.S.S, milligram per liter, equals weight of suspended solids in aeration tank, mg, volume of aeration tank, L. M.L.S.S in milligram per liter. Divide the weight of the suspended solids, mg, volume of the aeration tank, L, M.L.S.S in lbs. Multiply the M.L.S.S, milligram per liter, volume in mgx. 8.34 pounds per gallon, organic solids versus inorganic solids. Organic solids are particles that were originally part of living organisms, like plants and animals, and are present in wastewater. Inorganic solids in wastewater refers to non-biodegradable materials like heavy metals, salts, and minerals that don't break down naturally. These substances can come from industrial processes, agricultural runoff, and even residential sources. Effective treatment methods for removing these inorganic contaminants from wastewater include physical, chemical, and biological processes. Both organic and inorganic solids are a significant component of wastewater, and can be a major source of pollution if not treated properly. Volatile solids are the primary food source, organic solids, for the microorganisms used in the biological treatment processes. Volatile solids are the portion of solids that are lost when heated, typically at 550 degrees Celsius. Fixed solids represent the inorganic, non-combustible residue remaining after a sample is dried and then ignited at a high temperature, typically 550 degrees Celsius. Colloidal solids in wastewater are tiny particles that remain suspended in water due to their small size and electrical charge, preventing them from settling out. This is often a test question on operator certification tests. Colloidal solids are typically between 1 and 1000 nanometers in size. These solids can include non-settleable organic matter, clay particles, plankton, bacteria, and other dispersed materials. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button.